This is SLE Equipment. We're here in Antioch, Tennessee. Our phone number is 615-641-7720, and our website is sleequipment.com. And we're here today to talk about the Spartan SRT-XD 61. It comes with the light bar, run flat tires on the front. Right here, use your park brake. You have lock on one side, unlock on the other. You have the easy lift assist deck height adjustment pedal. And right here you have the deck height adjustment knob to tell you how high you cut you want. On the control arms, you have stress pads. So instead of the armrest being on the seat, they are integrated into the arms itself to where they can actually be used. You also have an adjustment knob here to where you can adjust either way you'd like. The control panel here is a push button start. It starts with any 4-digit code. You can set it to any 4-digit code you wish. You have your throttle here, your PTO switch here to turn your blades on, and it comes with a 12-volt car charger as well. And on this as well, it will show you your engine run hours, your mow hours, engine diagnostics, when to change the oil. It's basically like a smartphone. This is the seat, which is a nice seat. It's comfortable. It hugs your sides, keeps you safe. It is mounted on a 360 seat mount, so it allows the seat to go left, right, and up and down. And underneath the seat, you have the rubber bushings here that you can adjust to either from 100 to 300 pounds. It comes with 16cc Parker hydraulics. You have the overflow here to make sure you have enough hydraulic fluid in there. Here's your battery. Has an 8-gallon gas tank. And this mower here is powered by a 37 horsepower Vanguard EFI engine. It has radial tires on the back with fancy chrome wheels in there. The deck is a 7-gauge deck, and the spindles are all sealed, so it's basically maintenance free. As you can see, the SRT-XD is their top of the line model, comes with all the special upgrades. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please give us a call again at SLE Equipment at 615-641-7720.